Hey, I want to give you a really quick tip that can help you win your malpractice case. Go to a hospital, and you're going to see up in the walls, all over the place, surveillance cameras. And those surveillance cameras are videotaping everything that happens in the hospital. So recent case, emergency room case. The patient goes there thinking that he's having a heart attack. He sits down in the lobby of the hospital like this, and he's bent over like this. He takes off his jacket, and he has you can tell he's kind of got some sweat on his brow, and he's kind of like this. And then repeatedly, while he's there, he's kind of grabbing his chest like this and rubbing it a little bit. And there's cameras up in the wall everywhere showing this. Then finally, they bring him back into the triage room, another part of the hospital, and they sit him down. And again, they've got cameras showing the whole thing from multiple angles. You gotta see this stuff, it's great. And so he's in a room, a nurse is speaking with him, and again, he's sort of like this, hunched over a little bit, but here's the catcher. The nurse is talking to him. The doctor is totally distracted the entire time. Doctor doesn't pay attention to him. She's just looking at her phone, the whole thing. The doctor documents in the medical record that she did a head-to-toe physical examination of this patient. What does the video show? She never laid a hand on this patient, not once. Now, if we didn't have the surveillance video, we would not have known that. But here you've got a medical record documenting a thorough examination, and then here you've got surveillance video showing, that was never done. That was pivotal evidence in winning that case. So what we found out at this hospital had 1,100 surveillance videos in their hospital, all over the place. They're scattered everywhere. The lobby, they show the triage examination. They show the work area where the nurses and the doctors meet and enter their notes in thetheir computers. It shows everything. And we were able to get 42 hours of surveillance video for just a 45-minute clip in time, 42 hours. And we were able to show from the moment that the patient was walking into one room, walking to the next, where he was, what he was doing, and how he looked. And why was this so pivotal? Because in that lawsuit, the trial, the hospital was claiming, oh, he looked fine when we saw him. He was comfortable, he was laughing. We weren't the slightest bit concerned that he was having a heart attack. Au contraire, my friend, because we have the video showing him walking throughout the emergency room, sort of rubbing his chest like this, rubbing his forehead, taking the sweat off of his face. We know a picture is worth 1,000 words, but isn't it even more the case that a video is worth even more than that? It's a beautiful thing. And that video may make the difference between winning and losing your malpractice case.